Here's a winter weather statement for the following counties: Cambria and Somerset. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a wind chill advisory, which is in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Wednesday. Locations: the Laurel Highlands. Wind chill readings as low as 20 below. Timing: tonight through Wednesday morning. Winds west 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Temperatures 0 to 14 above zero. A wind chill advisory means that very cold air and strong winds will combine to generate low wind chills. Frostbite and hypothermia are possible if those venturing outdoors do not take the proper precautions. Wear multiple layers of warm, loose-fitting clothing. Trapped air between the layers will insulate you. The outer garments should be tightly woven to seal the wind. A hood or hat is essential, as half your body heat can be lost from your head. Mittens provide better cold protection than gloves. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can also be found at weather.gov/statecollege.